So is XRP's correction finally over? Are we about to take this big next leg up? And frankly, is it going to surprise a lot of people as XRP has currently fallen out of the top 50? I want to talk about exactly what I mean here, show you guys some important signs that have taken place, and discuss something that came out a few days ago that I didn't get a chance to talk about. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So we've obviously dealt with some corrections across the crypto market. We saw BTC go on obviously a huge drop the other day. We know XRP went on a pretty significant correction. I don't want to say pretty significant, but it was dropped about 25% from the top to the bottom. And that's not surprising, right? When you have as aggressive of a run as XRP had, you're going to deal with some consolidation. You're going to deal with some profit taking. We had some long liquidations. That's not surprising stuff at all. And what I want to talk about now is whether this has in fact cooled down and if XRP is in fact about to take its next leg. So I have to say, first of all, if you guys haven't checked out my indicator yet, you definitely should. It's a great tool to use, especially when the market is getting ready to go on these massive alt season surges. And right now we're seeing something very similar to what we've seen during these prior times of consolidation in terms of XRP. So this is actually the 1 hour chart, and you guys can see that there have been some great buy zone opportunities that have flashed, meaning that those may be a great opportunity to accumulate some XRP. And what we're seeing right now is a potential trend reversal, a shot back right up to the upside. And why I'm saying this is if we've looked back here at several other times, we've done this exact same thing, this point where we've ran hot, we got some sell zones, we cooled down, saw some buy zone opportunities flash, and then within a few days, we start that next extension. Same thing back here, right? Rip roaring hot, cool down, buy zone opportunity, extension. You guys can see that back here as well. Extension, buy zone opportunity, boom. Buy zone opportunity, boom, right? So now the question is, are we about to see the same thing? Well, what I want to look at is funding, first of all, because this is something that we did talk about. We're again following the very similar trend that what we've seen before some of these pumps before. We have seen a bunch of removal of supply from exchanges. The trend begins. Some flows back to exchanges for a little bit of profit taking, which is what we're seeing here. These kind of start a little cool. And then we get multiple days of extension leading to new highs in terms of XRP. Do I think that's possible? Yeah, I do think it is possible. Now, a couple things that we do need to note. Ripple did talk about this actually on the 4th. I did not get a chance to update you guys on this, but what we actually saw is Ripple did confirm that we weren't getting an RLUSD launch on the 4th. They are still hoping to get this done before the end of the year. They're obviously still working with some regulatory compliance stuff, which it seems like it's going to be fine. Only problem is that with the holidays at the end of the year, they may not be in session. All right. So unfortunately, it may not happen by the end of the year, but if it doesn't happen by the end of the year, it may happen in the early part of next year. And again, this is a big deal. This is potential more liquidity that can come to the Ripple ecosystem. That's a very big adoption tool. All right. So big deals there. Now, what is interesting about this is XRP has run so hot for so long. The narrative was always about XRP. But what's interesting is that when we look at these trends across the crypto market, is XRP has actually fallen out of the top 50 when it comes to trending coins, which is kind of surprising because XRP has been a very big discussion for a very long period of time. We've seen Tron climb into the top 50, Chainlink, ADA still sitting in the top 50. So does this mean that people have, forgotten about XRP? No. Actually, this is a good thing, and this is maybe my positive spin on this, but a lot of times when assets fall out of the trending coins, it means that people aren't paying attention to what's happening. So that means right now, people have probably shifted away from XRP, moved on to some smaller caps. In fact, this is what we've seen. Some of the different sub-cycles beginning to launch, right? We saw the AI coins begin to run. Now we're seeing meme coins kind of heat up today a little bit, and hopefully that continues to be the case. As you guys know, I have some meme coins and hope they do well. But what's interesting then is if XRP starts slowly but surely kind of charging to the upside here and starts testing these levels, this is where you can get, again, a FOMO breakout. People once again chasing XRP and pushing it to some of these price levels that people aren't anticipating. Wouldn't surprise me if XRP's next breakout into price discovery runs close to $4. That would not be a surprise at all. So these are definitely some things to watch across the crypto market. Now, that being said, we're in the weekend. Weekends are there's no institutional money. They can be kind of low from a volume standpoint. For example, volume over the last 24 hours has fallen about 25%. And it's all a question of, what does retail decide to do for the weekend? What does retail sentiment feel like? Now, that being said, last weekend was obviously really good. We got a nice extension from Friday into Saturday. It led us on this nice run that we saw, sending XRP to new cycle highs. And right now, I would say that we're not running as hot as we were there. But if we see the right things take place, if we see BTC once again surge above 100K, I'd love to see Ethereum push towards 42K. And then you start to see some of that capital trickle down. You start to see other assets throughout the space go on runs as well. So that's mostly what I'm focused on. I don't care if we have a pump this weekend. I am totally fine with us just showing strength, kind of a nice foundation of support as we work our way into next week. That would be a strong setup for institutional money. It'd be a strong setup to move up and liquidate some shorts. That'd be very exciting stuff. Now, that being said, we have made the migration over to BTCC. And again, this is a platform that you guys can trade on leverage if you would like. As you guys can see, I do have some long positions that I opened up. I completed my migration this morning, and I do have an XRP long that I opened up. It's actually up 12% currently. So you can actually trade up to 500x leverage on some assets. I have an ADA long, an XRP long, a SHIB long, a Fetch long. And I believe XRP, if you want, you can actually do a 500x leverage. I have never done that much. That is, you can make some really fast. You can lose some really fast. But again, if you guys want to check that out, there is a referral link in the description below. You can actually earn a 10% deposit bonus on all deposits over $500 for first-time deposits. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses in general. This exchange has actually been around for 13 years. It is available for U.S. customers. I know there's been questions about that. And yeah, this seems like a lot better place to use. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts here. Is XRP completing this reversal? And is it about to surprise a lot of people with this next push? But have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.